Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me. My name is Clint. I'm Mystic Valley Designs and I airbrush custom model horses. Today we're going to do a follow-up video. A couple days ago I did a video on paint thinner for your acrylic paints. Very simple ingredients. I'll post a link back to that video in a moment. But today's video is going to be on making a cleaner for your airbrush. And this cleaner, it can be, end of the day cleaner when you're going to store your airbrush for a while, or just simply a quick cleaner, between color changes. We're going to be making some airbrush cleaner. I have a bunch of these bottles, so I just stored in that. The ingredients, there's only 4 ingredients in the whole thing, and they're all very simple. I watched probably, I'd have to go into my YouTube account and tally up the number of videos I've watched on this specific topic of homemade airbrush cleaners. I bet I've watched close to 75 videos. I'd have to tally it up. And as I'm taking notes on these videos, I'm starting to watch trends. And they're all using the same 4 or 5 ingredients. And after 40 or 50 videos, I'm starting to see the trend here. So I thought I should do a video and jump on the bandwagon and make it simple for everybody else. But anyway, the first ingredient, I'm just going to list out the ingredients and I'll post the percentages in a moment. But the first ingredient is simply plain old water. Now this water happens to come out of the tap. A lot of these videos, they said use distilled water out of a bottle. So the first ingredient was water. The second ingredient in this one happens to be 70% alcohol. Some people were bent on getting 91% alcohol. The third ingredient, in America we call this Windex. It's a ammonia-based window cleaner, because what the ingredient inside Windex that you're really looking for is ammonia. And ammonia is a type of cleaner and disinfectant. So anyway, just really get something called Windex or any kind of blue window cleaner that happens to have ammonia in it. The fourth and final ingredient is something called a rinse aid. This is the stuff you put in your dishwasher about once a month, and it helps water sheet off of the dishes so you don't get spots on your dishes. And rinse aid is propylene glycol, not polypropylene glycol. There's a difference between the two. And when you look at the ingredients on the back, you'll want to look for something called propylene glycol. And propylene glycol has the ability to change the surface tension of water so it does not bead up. It sheets off of a surface. And one of the neat side effects of propylene glycol is it's a mild lubricant. And that's a good thing inside your airbrush. You don't want to gob a bunch of oil into your airbrush, but making things flow more smoothly so parts don't get abrasion against each other, that would be a good thing. So anyway, the fourth and final ingredient is just simply rinse aid. A common brand name is called Jet Dry. So those are the 4 ingredients from the 60, 70, 80 videos I've watched on YouTube about making a home-based airbrush cleaner. Now here's the percentages that I came up with after 50 or 60 of those videos. Here's the percentages. I'll leave this up here for a moment. You can jot this down. But it's roughly 60% water, 30% isopropyl alcohol, 10% of your window cleaner, and literally just a few drops of rinse aid. And this will make either a quart or a pint, doesn't matter. But, in my bottle here of cleaner, wherever it got off to here, this cleaner has maybe 8 or 10 drops of rinse aid in it. So, folks, those are the 4 ingredients here. I'll put them up again. Water, alcohol, Windex, and rinse aid. So, folks, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. My name's Clint. I'm Mystic Valley Designs. Hope this works out for you. I've been running it for 6 months or so. It works great. And anyway, thanks for tuning in, and peace out. Catch you on the next video. Bye now.